Esther obi ayi no mo fa ne tum. Yeah, tiawa you see to say he said the most annoying part say the sex male and female. Anya ne bad girl crowd. Ne bad boy. Now you got a problem with it? See a man in 90 days. See a man in 1 year. You are a celebrity. I don't have a problem. But there should be some decorum. What you say?
Respect.
Respect. Now you honey say. No we are so cheap. Some of them are so cheap to say. No mu tina play mu. Now mu trap bag. Any trap way. Any anything. Who we now be disrespected there was a celebrity. Ah, mumu women what? No woman can talk about this disgusting thing that your fellow woman has done. And you see, me what problem? People easily criticize politicians. But we are see have baby a profession be anywhere person criticizing. Profession be anywhere person criticizing. Now I have a problem with you. You just made a statement to say we are against number of months it should serve as a deterrent. Now you very cheap. What do you say? But you know, beg fine, no problem.
With them.
But what the better social media any year now see me a day. What they are doing, there are copycats. One will follow send your way, no more so yet. It should serve as a deterrent. Esther will be a in funny too. Yes. Boabisu was a CFA. CFA. On Tigana had the Koso and maybe a celebrity. I don't have a problem. But there should be some decorum. What you say?
Respect.
Respect. Now one respect here. Now you honey say. No we are so cheap. Some of them are so cheap to say. No mu tina play mu. Now mu trap bag. Any trap way. Any anything. And no chira say. The mere fact say uko tina play mu. Now you try first class literature. It means you never expected to be there. There may be no trauma. You never expected say one kasa. Ubetimi akọ first class nti na PSC su say na ne bag anywhere we cheap ko twa wo bag dia beto unim ne wo obi dem unim ne wo obi dem uwie na obi disrespect dia was a celebrity mumu women what no woman can talk about this disgusting thing that your fellow woman has done and you now tiawa you see to say he said disagree with the sentence.
Yeah, no, I can't disagree.
It should be punitive.
Well, I think that there's a lot of comments going on. A bit of a more
kind of. You see, and a signal and what the money bad boy. The most annoying part say the sex male and female. I the bad girl crowd. The bad boy. Now you got a problem with it? See a man in 90 days. See a man in 1 year. A man in 1 year. Because you see, send your man na magana. Yankoso.
Akuapem Poloo Kennedy Agyapong say send your man 1 year. Now they when you for 3 months no sa. Enya izo Akuapem Poloo was why she. Yeah, dream say obeka bia ma no. Obeso ejagum kura. Na we obeka e Ghana fo dwa. Almost month year say adentina wo Kennedy Agyapong wasem kura wo parliament. E wo Ghana on sem bebre ya kan wi. For example, Hood Ibn Mashoud say, you have killed an innocent journalist and no law could drag you to court. Now, Baba can be some. You need proof be a chess with journalist be out. So, you show contempt. All right. Bra Kwabenam say, Ken, if really the laws of this country works, you would have been in jail for 2 million years. You know everything yourself. Gradually we shall get there and the real men in the country will be seen. Okay, that is a brand palm. I say Kennedy Agyapong Mraye Jumapanga 2 million and I'm say the man. The next comment also say Togwivi Gave or say look at the man who explicitly described women's nakedness on radio and TV more pornographically than what Poloo did. Talking. This messenger is more than the message. Yeah. All right. Also Kennedy Agyapong the be a month for naked video and so become the same scale and you have no moral right to talk about Akuapem Poloo. All right. The next comment is from Jacqueline Winifred Putin or say how far with his contempt case. Yes, last year, he had a contempt case with a judge or something. So, but Bibian see that is Ghana for you. Imrano, I think we small fish there. I bet you on tempera, but we are big there, Charlie. They also have big and good lawyers, so they defend themselves and they have loopholes to always find them way out. They are way out of the trouble. But yeah, KDA, we join it. The next comment is from Nana Yao Kendrick. Or say, the only sensible man left in Ghana has spoken. Okay, so Nana Yao Kendrick say also for talking in the Japan pa nyansani ba ko pa waka Ghana no. Nti I just say of feeling in the Japan ye see the ye can sema. The next comment is from Godwin as a false thing. Or say, but he never will wish his drug addict daughter to go to jail for just 2 days though. Yeah, but Tihanum say our person man from back and ankle. Young from got to 1 year. All right, so this has been the daily trend from Ishaud TV. If this is your first time, you can consider subscribing to the channel for more. See you next time. Bye bye.